Take a closer look at this Ingrown toenail clipper that was sent to me to try out. Let's check out the quality and the features. Okay, so this is the actual big clipper. As you can see, the one thing that's very different right away is that this is actually made out of wood. So I actually prefer that because it's definitely easier to hold in your hand. It's more ergonomic and much easier. It doesn't slip, it doesn't hurt you. It's very gentle on your hands. As you can see, this part is sort of, can you see that? It's sort of curved. So if you have thicker nails or you do have those hard to reach corners of your toenails, this is definitely going to get in there. And here, these 2 points are very pointy. Now, in addition to, you do have a nice file that you can actually help. It's super thin, as you can see, but it definitely helps file. So this is actually going to help file your thicker toenails versus one of the regular sort of nail files. This is definitely going to help. Now on this side, it is actually a bit more rough, and then this side is a bit more smooth. So you do have two sides of this. Now this handle does have a little grip here, so you can grip on depending on where you want. So I do like that. And there's a lot right here so that you do have a lot of space. It does come with a nice case. And now you get this extra tool, and this is really good to get all of that sort of dirt or anything that's stuck under your toes. What I love about this handle is that you get these two rough patches right here so that your fingers aren't going to sort of slip. So as you can see, it is rough right there. Now on this side, hopefully you can see that, it is really, really small, but then it curves. So it's really good to sort of dig in and get that. And it's on both sides, as you can see here and here. They're both angled and curved the same way, just opposite ends. So this is really good to go under your nails. So you get this piece, you get the nail file, and then you get a nice heavy duty clippers.